Hi guys, today we are going to make creamy cheesy pasta with an Indian touch. So let's see the ingredients. I've taken onion, green chili, green peas, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese grated, pasta, ginger and garlic cut into small pieces, mint, butter, salt, pepper powder and garam masala powder. Boil water and add in the pasta. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add salt, stir it. So you should be able to cut the pasta with a spoon or a fork. So that's the cooked stage and you can drain it. It's done. I'm going to drain this. Keep the water aside. We will be needing that. So I'm adding a small spoon of oil and mix it so that the pasta doesn't stick with each other. Melt the butter in a pan. Once the butter is melted, add in the ginger and garlic and saute it. Just for a few seconds, and then you're going to add the green chili. Green chili is optional. Add in the onion, saute it and cook until it becomes transparent. Now add the mint, saute it. It's done, and now I'm going to add the green peas. If you want chicken, you can cook the chicken and then add in the chicken instead of green peas. I'm adding a bit of salt. So you can take any cheese that is salty, cheddar cheese, or if you're in India you can use AMUL or BRITANNIA cheese cubes. I'm adding the heavy cream. Mix it. This recipe is very easy to cook and kids will love it. It's going to melt in your mouth. I'm adding the Parmesan cheese grated. So leave some for garnishing. Stir it. Cook in a low to medium flame. So I'm adding the garam masala powder and pepper powder. Check the saltiness because your cheese will be already salty. So adjust the salt level. Mix everything together and leave it for a few minutes. and then add in the pasta. Mix everything together. Add half a cup of water so that it becomes creamy. So I have used the strained water, so the salt is already there in the water. So let it sit for a minute and then serve it hot. It's done. Garnish with some mint leaves or the Parmesan cheese, and delicious. Pasta is ready. Enjoy it and subscribe to my channel.